Hello guys and welcome to QA. It's been 5 years since graphic card technology is upgraded and now both AMD and Nvidia has come up with new technologies, namely Polaris and Pascal. Yes. So in present both AMD and Nvidia is using 28nm technology with max of GDDR5 in their pocket and having a max of 12GB VRAM with memory bandwidth of 128 to 228 Gbps. But now both the companies have upgraded their technologies after 5 long years and now present you with the chipsets based on 14nm technology having HBM1 or HBM2 on their boards. So what is this HBM1 or 2? HBM is high bandwidth memory which is going to replace GDDR5 in the near future. Also, these technologies are going to present you with the VRAM of 32GB having a memory bandwidth of 512 Gbps to 1 Tbps. Yes, you hear me right, with 1 terabyte per second. Now, that's the nerd stuff, but what's all this number really matters to gamers or 3D artists? Well, in short, it's awesome. Yes, it means 2.5x performance, low power consumption, small cards with more power, higher frame rates by 150% for all the games. Yes, if you are owning right now GeForce GTX 950 and in future if you upgrade it to 1050, then you are going to get 150 plus performance. That means if you are playing it at 30 fps, a game at 30 fps on GTX 950, then you are going to play on 150 at a fps of 60 to 90. Yes, that's what you get in the near future for a lower price, for a lower power consumption card, for a smaller card. Yes, that is what going to happen in the near future. So what else does this mean? This means if somehow the new gen consoles like PlayStation 5 or what is in the corner 4.5, people are talking about that stuff, or Xbox 2, I think that's what could be the next name of Xbox. I don't know what it is, but if somehow these next gen consoles are going to use these chipsets, yes, then the games will come with 60 fps locked for these consoles. Yes, you hear me right, you will go from 30 fps to 60 fps, and that's what is going to be the future of gaming with these Nvidia or AMD new technology. But now that's for the gamers. Let's come to some serious stuffs like rendering for 3D artists, handling the viewport in real time with all your realistic material, with all the PBR shaders applied to your assets. What these cards are really means, what this technology really means. So if somehow in this field you are using renderers like Octane, Redshift, Thea, or you are going to use Arnold's recently released beta viewport, that is real-time viewport, or V-Ray real-time viewport, V-Ray RT, then your rendering time is going down by 200 to 400%. Yes, by 200 to 400%. But how this particular downfall in rendering time is going to be real? It is going to be real with the presence of HBM on board. Yes, these high bandwidth memory buses and interfaces are going to make the data transfer in and out of the VRAM of graphic card very swiftly, very fastly, making the calculation time less, making the buffer time on the memory very less, as these particular graphic cards are going to have much more CUDA cores on board. With Nvidia, if CUDA core I'm talking about, it's going to be Nvidia. So these are going to be the things you are going to see in the very near future. But what is this near future? Right now Nvidia has released P100 card, which is right now available for enterprise peoples. It is really costly, so if you want it, you can go and get it. But if you want to wait, I think you have to wait till June, because I think Nvidia and AMD are going to introduce consumer level graphic cards as CES 2016, which is going to be, I think, in the end of May or the start of June. So that's all the thing for the Polaris and Pascal. Tell me what you guys think about in the comments. Make sure to hit that like button if you gained something from me from this video. And if you are just a passerby, hit that subscribe button as it helps me to go on. Stay tuned and voila!